Make a great choice today with the 2018 Cooper. Agile handling and quick, precise steering make the MINI Cooper lots of fun to drive. The cabin is roomy with plenty of front legroom and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, power moonroof, power tailgate, rain sensing wipers, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering. Come see the car for yourself.